Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you something very interesting. Usually we grow microgreens using soil or cocopeat, where we use the soil or cocopeat as a substratum or platform on which we spread the seeds of our interest and let it grow, and we have to follow it for every day. Whereas here I'm going to show something called sprouting jar. This jar doesn't need any substratum like soil or cocoa pit. What you have to do is, well, let me tell you. First, it comes as three pieces. There is a top lid which is having sieve like arrangement. You can see that it has a mesh over. Okay, and the bottom piece comes like a regular bottle, and on top you can close the lid like this. Okay, so this comes as three piece. What we can do is, you can take the seeds of your interest, put it inside the jar, fill it with water. Like, you can pour water like this. Water will go inside because it is having a mess on top. After that, you can soak the seeds for a few hours depending on which type of seed you're taking. If you're taking very small seeds, like very small seeds, you can soak it for 3 hours. If it is like little bit harder ones, you can soak it for overnight. For example, if you're taking radish seeds, you can soak for 3 to 6 hours. Whereas if you take green gram seeds, you can soak it overnight. Depends on whichever way is comfortable with you, and the growth is going to be about. Okay, so after soaking it for 3 to 4 hours or overnight, you can drain the water like this just by inverting the bottle. Okay, inverting the jar, all the water will get drained. Then you can leave the jar inclined like this. Okay, so all the extra water will come out. Then the next day, if the seeds are looking dry, again you can fill water like this on top. Okay, let it stand for few hours, maybe few minutes, 10 minutes or so. Then you can drain the water again like this. It will come out. Then you can keep the jar inclined like this, so that all the extra water will come out. Okay, so if you can leave it like this for 2 to 3 days, you will end up getting nicely grown microgreens without any effort. Now I'm going to open the mesh lid. Look at this. 2 days back I started the ragi microgreens. You can see how it has grown very well. Now without any trouble or hard work, you can easily harvest the seeds from the bottle. It will come out just like this, like a bed. Okay, can you see that? This can be easily consumed very freshly without any cleaning work or without any contamination, or and it can be stored very easily as well, rolled inside a tissue paper. So this is the microgreen that I got for ragi. Okay, so you can try the same, and it works very well for all type of seeds. Okay, thank you.